Hey everyone, a couple new cars this week. First up is the Audi R8 V10. This is the refreshed R8. You could get an opening diecast earlier one by Kyosho, but this is the updated one known as, I think, the LMK. It basically meant it had laser headlights, which were never okayed for the US. Sometimes we get shortchanged with regulations that keep cool stuff from coming here. This is by DNA Collectibles. Kind of a sad story. DNA has gone bankrupt, and they did some really neat cars, some neat subject matter, and they've gone bankrupt. I kind of got bit because I had an order with them of $800 worth of cars. That money is gone. Some cars, though, are still being produced by the factory that produced them for DNA, so you can still find some of those cars on eBay or Facebook, but this predates that. You will not get a chance to buy these anymore. Paint's very good, a nice metallic blue. You have open front mesh. Into the grille you can see open front mesh. Good wheels and tires. Interior details hard to make out, you know. This had a gated manual, 6-speed. You have the simulated carbon. And this had a Lamborghini derived V10. I think about 500 quarter horsepower, something like that. I think 5.2 liters. These were neat cars, and after this first generation, you couldn't get the manual anymore, so I'm a manual guy, so this is a pretty neat car to me. Simulated carbon fiber is actually pretty good. More semi-open mesh in the back. You even have decent engine detail in there for a sealed resin car. Really nice piece. This is car number 6 out of 320. This would retail for about $179. I stole this from an auction for $65 on eBay a couple months ago. At that price, certainly not mad at it. DNA had kind of extravagant packaging with this microfiber satchel and then a white box, and they gave you a little crystal clear display with the car's name on it. So, kind of sad it's gone. R.I.P. DNA. Next up is kind of a weird piece. This is a Mercedes-Benz 600 Pullman Hearse. This is by BOS, another company that really isn't doing much these days because the parent company, American Excellence, is kind of done in the U.S. This came from Model Car World, the proper parent company of American Excellence. So BOS, again, sealed resin. Not too much to see in the interior. Some might find a Hearse a little morbid, but I do have a couple other Hearses. They're just kind of interesting. I like the weird stuff. I like the quirky stuff. I've got motorhomes. I've got oddball microcars. This is just another weird car. Look at the photo etched metal grille. That detail's very good. Photo etched metal emblem. Really neat piece. Let's see, this is car number... It doesn't say. Usually it does say on a BOS car. It says limited to 1,000 pieces. Doesn't say what number it is though. Again, really neat. Retail $139, $159 if you can get them. They had a 40% off sale at Model Car World. This was about $80, which at that price I'm not mad at it. For packaging, your pretty standard fare BOS black box, but this is the longer format because obviously you have a longer car. So that's it for this week. Remember, I do have cars selling on whatnot.com or the Whatnot app every Friday in March, 7 p.m. Eastern. If you want to buy some cars, come see me. That's it for this week. Everyone, please like and subscribe.